have a lot of carpet in my house, so I didn't want to spend a ton on a vacuum. I just wanted something cordless, something affordable, something that I could grab for quick spills and for the couple of rugs that I have. So I ended up getting this guy right here. Just a cordless vacuum. What I really like about it is it pops apart right here. Put that bottom off there. And I can put this on there and just clean my couches or take it out to my car, and it has the full vacuum power for just that. I sprinkled just some carpet deodorizer on my rug here, and we are going to try it out. It has a couple of settings I noticed. It has like a lower setting and then a higher setting, so we'll try them both. It looks like it picked it up on both of those. I'm going to try some on the bare floor and see how it does there. I'm going to try it on the lowest setting first. It got everything. It got it all on the lowest setting too. I'm gonna try this out on literally the dirtiest thing in my house, which is the rug that my husband's work boots go on. I'm doing this on the lowest setting.